Assalamualaikum. My name is Musfira binti Mota. I am from BEA Section 1, Group 1. My matric number B08201037. I will explain about a function generator. Function generator usually a piece of electrical test equipment or software used to generate different types of electrical waveform over a wide range frequency. Some of the most common waveforms produced by the function generator are sine wave, square wave, and triangular wave. The waveform can be either repetitive or single shot used to generate waveform.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Nur Atira. I'm going to explain about oscilloscope. Oscilloscope or a scope test is a test and display voltage signal waveform. Visual representation of the vibration voltage over time. We can see here the waveform will appear here in X and Y axis. An oscilloscope is a sophisticated diagnosis instrument that draws the graph of an electrical signal. This graph can tell you many things about the signal, such as the time and voltage value of a signal, the frequency of an oscillating signal. This is the scale style. You can change it based on our circuit and our measurement. The scale for channel A also can be determined by ourselves. Same for channel B. And we can choose either AC circuit or DC. Now, I'm gonna explain how I can fill this table. First, we need to make a connection based on figure 7. Open multisim. Find function generator and oscilloscope. Find the ground. Now we need to make a connection. The connection is done. We need to set a function generator. We use the value of 3 amplitude and the frequency 2 kHz. Now it's done. The waveform will appear here. Based on this waveform, we need to type single, use different scale, change channel A to AC. And now we get the period for this waveform is 500 milliseconds. The distance is based on these boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can fill this table. We need to set frequency for 10 kHz. Start and run again. As usual, we need to change time scale. The period we got for this waveform is 100 milliseconds. For 50 kHz, Set up the function generator in 50 and run again. Change the scale and we get this waveform. The period for this waveform is 20 millisecond.
I will explain about how to measure a phase difference for RC circuit. Put the function generator, connect with the circuit, connect with the oscilloscope. For channel A, 2 capacitor and channel B, 2 resistor. Set the function generator for the frequency is 2 kHz and the amplitude is 3 Vp. Run the simulation. Stop the simulation and take your reading. For RC circuit, the phase angle formula is 360 divided by T2 minus T1 multiplied by T2. The relationship between input and output for RC circuit is lead. I will explain how to measure phase angle for RL circuit. Put the function generator, connect with the circuit, connect with the oscilloscope. For channel A to inductor, and channel B to resistor. Set the function generator for the frequency is 2 kHz and amplitude is 3. Start the simulation. And take the reading. For RS circuit, the formula for phase angle is 360 divided by T2 minus T1 multiplied by T1. The relationship between input and output for RL a circuit is like.